So today we are calculating a basic math puzzle that frequently traps students. 9 divided by 6 divided by 3 divided by 2. Because this expression relies entirely on repeating division operators, any shortcut out of order will break the calculation. Pause the video right now, simplify the string in your head, and leave your immediate answer in the comments. Before doing any arithmetic, we must establish the order of operations protocol. When an expression contains multiple operators of the exact same priority level, no single sign outranks the others. We must calculate strictly from left to right, starting with the first pair of numbers at the front. Let's execute our first step from the far left. We take 9 and divide it by 6. To maintain absolute precision without messy decimals, we write this as a fraction, 9 over 6, which reduces cleanly to 3 halves. Dropping this back into the expression leaves our running string as 3 halves divided by 3 divided by 2. Moving left to right, our next operation is 3 halves divided by 3 divided by 2. Dividing by 3 is mathematically identical to multiplying by its reciprocal, which is 1/3. This transforms the block into 3 halves multiplied by 1/3. Let's multiply across and simplify. The 3 in the numerator and the 3 in the denominator cancel each other out completely. This reduces our running expression down to exactly 1/2 divided by 2. Now we perform our final division step, 1/2 divided by 2. And just like before, we change division to multiplication and multiply by the reciprocal of 2, which is 1/2. This leaves us with 1/2 multiplied by 1/2. Multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. Multiplying the denominators, 2 times 2 gives us 4. So our final answer is 1/4 or 0.25.